Welcome to the ACTEX webcast on exam MFE and 3F of the Society of Actuaries and the Casualty Actuarial Society. My name is Robert Reitano. I'm a professor of the practice at Brandeis University International Business School. The exam that you're studying for is based on several chapters and appendices of a book by Robert McDonald called Derivatives Markets. This webcast splits those materials into approximately 60 modules, and the appendices of various chapters have been integrated into the materials for that chapter, and we have a special couple of modules on book appendices as well. The modules follow the sequencing of the book relatively closely, with the exception of the integration of chapter appendices into the primary content of the chapter. So you should have no trouble following along the modules as well as the book and complementing your review of these modules by the readings of this book. And I do recommend that you read the book along with viewing these modules and this webcast. The book is very well written, provides excellent examples and some graphics which will very much help deepen the understanding that you achieve by viewing this webcast. I also recommend that as you go through the various modules and the chapters of the book, that you practice the exercises at the end of the chapters, and ultimately at the end of this webcast begin working on examples of practice problems from the respective actuarial societies. This is important because it will help deepen your understanding of the materials, and you'll find that some of your understandings that may be not as clear as necessary will be identified in working through a problem. I'd like to acknowledge the publisher for permission in using the slides produced by the author of the textbook, Robert McDonald, and I'm using those slides in this webcast, and I've freely edited them just for better visual appeal on your screen. I've also added a fair amount of content as well, and you'll notice those slides as you go through the webcast. Finally, I wish you great success in your study of this very challenging and yet very exciting and worthwhile material, and wish you good fortune on the forthcoming exam.